This Century 21 Brooks Wells Enterprises property video is presented by Donna Gannon. Welcome to the neighborhood in this lovely craftsman-style home. You will enjoy the nice exterior amenities, and that includes a 2.5-car garage. The home features 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths, with a laundry being on the main floor. Call today for your tour of this spacious home in a lovely neighborhood. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Gannon at 606-329-8000.